What's up? What's up? What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. Thank you for joining me. Oh, I didn't put my do not disturb on, guys. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Guys, I have shrimp with the head on. I love sucking on the head. Guys, got my frosty mug. I got some lemonade already in it, guys. Oh, whew, that's cold. Woo. Guys, it's Friday. So I gotta make this video quick because I gotta go to work. I'm gonna be late most likely. I'm going in at 9 tonight. I got this for my shrimps. Guys, okay, I'm gonna do a thumbnail so y'all know y'all know what it is. Y'all know I gotta be a fool. Oh man, you know, I wish I had something. Oh, I have nothing right here. All right. That light's bright. It's blinding me, y'all. That light blinding me. Hold on, I can't see right now. It's blurry. Jeez, that thing is bright today. Shine bright like a diamond. All right, guys. Let me see. I don't know, guys. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. That's good, guys. Guys. All right. I don't know about y'all, but I love the inside of the shrimps, the head. It has, like, can you see inside? That's good. And guys, I cleaned the poop out of it already. So what I did was I took a fork and I broke into here. And I took the fork in and then I pulled the poop out. And I sauteed this in butter and garlic, some Old Bay, salt, little bit of salt and pepper. And guys, the only reason why I don't peel the shell off before I cook it, because with the head, I want to make sure the head stays on. If you take the shell off, then it's like most of the time the head comes off and you lose all that good stuff inside. This one got a lot in there. So that's why I keep the shell on. They taste so good. Let me know in the comments if you like your shrimp with the head on, or do you suck it? Guys, this kid's watching. Okay. And what's good too, when I poke it back here to take the poop out, it gives it space, place to go to send all that butter and the juices inside of the shrimp. Because I'm telling you, this bad boy, these shrimps taste really good. They really do. And if I was to fry it, I eat the tails. Pop the whole thing in my mouth. Bless you, baby. Guys, can you see the juice inside here? It's like right there. Can y'all see that? Oh, it's gonna be good. It's so good. I'm trying to see if you can see the juice in this one. Here I go, guys. I'm dancing. Y'all know what that means. Guys, I'm so in love with seafood. I am. Excuse my neighbor if you can hear her. That was so frosty. Y'all see that ice? It almost froze the lemonade, made the lemonade slushy. That lemonade came up straight off the refrigerator, so it shouldn't be slushy. That glass, that mug. Oh, it's got a lot of juice in it. Oh, keep it all in there. Guys, I'm so ready just to go ahead and eat the whole shrimp with the shell on and everything. Let's throw it all in my mouth. Guys, can you see the sauce on the butter garlic sauce? It's really good too. Guys, now I got to talk a little louder. Talk over that so y'all don't hear that. My neighbors. And it's about to be summertime too. You know, everybody's gonna be out. There's gonna be all types of noise going on. For real. Oops, excuse me. Oh, guys, I got some exciting news to tell y'all. My son made the honor roll today for third term. Woo-hoo. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of him. I'm so proud of him. Guys, I think I need more sauce. Who got the sauce? I got the sauce. Who got the sauce? Oh, you know what? Let me see if I can do another thumbnail. Let's try it. I'm gonna see. Guys, I'm telling you for real, this sauce is delicious. And it's just butter with that seasoning. But I don't know how many times I gotta stress this. It's real butter. It's not margarine. It's real butter, guys, okay? So, gotta tell people, man, because people always be like, I bet you got some butter, and they come up with some margarine or something. And they be serious, too. Grown-ups, too. Guys, I gotta hurry up. Guys, I gotta hurry up. But y'all think, like, why are you late? Well, they're not even asking why I'm late. I'm never, well, I'm not gonna say never, but I'm hardly ever late anyway. But, why are you late? Because you are your butt on YouTube. They're kind of sour. Kind of sour now. It wasn't sour until I got that ice in it. What time is it? All right, guys. I'm gonna have to make this quick, real quick. Gotta make this quick, real quick. Spaghetti splat. Mm. I got something in my nose. Woo. I'm not getting full. I know that's my full, that's my full gesture. Mm. All right, guys. I gotta get ready. I gotta put this show on the road. I gotta get going. Excuse me. That juice, you know what it is too? Some of that juice is from the head. That's why it's so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. Gotta wrap it up. Oh, it's so good though. I'm gonna finish it. But, y'all can see that. Trying, guys. I'm trying. Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. But make sure you watch, and I hope that you enjoy the video as much as I do. I really like doing this, guys. I gotta go to work. YouTube ain't paying me yet, so guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys.